Well-being, luck and other amenities. Where is the best time to hang a watch in a house? Clock. It would seem such an ordinary subject, but also very important. Each house has a clock, on the wall, on the table, wristwatch or just on the phone. Our ancestors believed that the watch is endowed with special energy and should be treated with caution. Therefore, the choice of watches is a very important point and you need to remember some rules. First of all, you can't keep a broken watch at home. Watches that do not go repel good luck and all positive. The clock should show the exact time, and it is also important that there aren't several hours with different time on the dial at home. Then the family will be haunted by quarrels and conflicts. Watches must not be given or received as a gift. Our ancestors believed that in this way we give trouble and problems. It is also important and correct to place the clock in the house, so that they bring success. For example, the western side is responsible for the duration of the clan, and if you want to replenish in the family, it is best to hang the clock in that part of the house. If you like traveling and want good luck on trips, you need to hang the clock in the northwestern part of the house. The south side is a place for jersey or straight hours, but the east is for round and wooden. The clock is also recommended to be hung in the kitchen and in the office, so that everything can be done. Watches in the nursery will play an important role in raising a child. But it is better not to hang the clock in the bedroom, so as not to interfere with sound sleep. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Make sure you check useful links in the video description below. Have a great day.